so excited. You're gonna go ahead and mix your candy. Do you pronounce this caramel or caramel? I think everyone says caramel, right?
I say caramel.
Caramel, I think it's caramel. Caramel. See guys, this is melting so quickly. We're gonna go ahead and add our last ingredient, which is our special ingredient, popcorn. This is what makes this so healthy. It's so much healthier than making this in the microwave. You guys are gonna be so excited when you see how this works. Just keep pouring until you have the amount that you want. So delicious. Oh my gosh, your neighbors are gonna smell this and they're gonna come out and come knocking on your door being like, what are you making? I want some of that now.
You better lock the doors now.
Look at that, you guys. This is gonna be so good. I am so excited.
He smells it. He wants some.
He just came up on top of the counter wanting some, and I didn't want him to get close to the cast iron. So, oh, but look at it, it's melting. Look, Jack.
Does dogs have popcorn? I think
They can have a little bit of popcorn. You don't want them to have the kernels, though. That's bad. Look at that. All right, Jax. He smells it. He wants some. Everyone's gonna want some of this. It's gonna be the hit at the party. It's gonna be so delicious. Look at how melty this is. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna, look, it's sticking together. You see how that's sticking together? That's exactly what we want right here, y'all. This is gonna be so, so good. Look at all that stringiness. Look at all that deliciousness. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so, so, so good. We want to make this as healthy as possible. We're gonna go ahead and put some Himalayan pink salt. Make some salted caramel popcorn. Close that up. We're gonna go ahead and close this because if you don't close it, they're not gonna pop. It doesn't happen when you're looking at it. That's the rule, right? That's exactly the rule. By the way, do you guys know how to get butter out of shirts? Because I just made a mess and I don't know how to take butter out. I usually put it in the washer, but that doesn't work. Usually it stays stained. So if you guys know how to get butter out of shirts, please put that in the comments because I'm kind of freaking out right now. Y'all, we have some pumpkin. Look at that. Now this is the part where you want to go ahead and cover it. This is the part where you can kind of get hurt. Make sure you cover that, but you can see them popping. Look at that. You can see the ones that are already caramelized. Look, oh my gosh, doesn't it smell good?
It smells delicious.
It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. How's this gonna smell like a caramel heaven? Yes, you're right. Look at that. So delicious. It's gonna be so good. Look at the smell. Look at how delicious. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, y'all. If you see brown, that is the caramel. It's not burnt. Trust me. Unless they're super brown. Then they're burnt. Not even made. Like, how does... Be careful. Like, how does the Oz popcorn even made? How does this turn into that fluffy stuff? How does that work? Can someone tell me how that works? How does a hard seed turn into a fluffy, crunchy, soft, edible thing?
Magic. I think we're ready to try this, aren't
Are we ready?
Yeah, let's do it. This is exciting.
Alright, let's go ahead and turn this off. And we're going to do our special. Kind of shake it up a bit to get these other ones that are still hot and popping. You do this in the popcorn. Have you ever done that in the popcorn bag? When you're done with the popcorn, you do this. Use the popcorn bag, but you kind of go. And you'll have more. You'll have more pop when you do that. When you shake the bag. Alright. I think it's ready. You smell that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think we're ready, y'all. You guys, popcorn is all finished. I'm super excited. Look at how delicious this looks.
Mm,
So good. You ready to try this?
yes.
Okay. So good. Look at all that little caramel inside. Mmm. Oh my gosh.
Great.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. I give this a 10 out of 10. So good. Oh my gosh. I want more. These are so good. Look at all that caramel.
Delicious.
Look at how caramelized they are. When we put the salt in it, so good. Your whole family is going to love this easy, delicious.
What the heck was that?
They're going to love this easy, delicious dessert that you made for them. So delicious. Even the popcorn's excited.